Hello students, welcome back. Now in the previous video we have discussed the sums based on natural numbers, consecutive even or odd numbers, fraction and two-digit numbers. Now further type we will discuss in this video. So let's start. Students, just listen. The hypotenuse of a right angle triangle is 17 centimeter and the difference between other two sides is 7. So we will consider, let one of the side be x centimeter and other. See, whenever difference is given, so next you take x plus difference. So it will be x plus 7 centimeter. Now, you know hypotenuse is 17 centimeter. So, according to Pythagoras theorem, side 1 square plus side 2 square will be equals to hypotenuse square. Now, one of the side is x. So, x square, x plus 7 the whole square will be 17 square, x square plus whole square of this will be x square plus 14x plus 49 minus 17 square, that will be 289. Transfer this side. So it will be 2x square plus 14x minus 240. Reduce the equation. X square plus 7x minus 120 will be equals to 0. Now multiplication should be 120. Difference is 7. So 15 8s are. So one of your bracket is x plus 15. Other is x minus 8. So you will get x equals to minus 15 or x equals to 8. Negative number you have to discard. Write the reason for that. Therefore, one side is 8 centimeter and other side is 8 plus 7, that is 15 centimeter. Now students, in a center of a rectangular lawn of the dimension 50 meter by 40 meter, a rectangular pond has to be constructed so that area of the grass surrounding the pond would be 1184 meter square. Find length and breadth of the pond. Now pond is inside everywhere. I have considered the thickness as x. First, area of lawn. That will be length into breadth. So 50 into 40. That will be 2000 square meter. Now, area of pond. That will be also length into breadth. Now, length of the pond, it is 50 centimeter. X, it has decreased from this side. X, it has decreased from this side. So, length will be 50 minus 2x. Same way, breadth also, both the side it is decreased by x. So, it will be 40 minus 2x. When you multiply, you will get 2000 minus 180x plus 4x square. Now, this area is given, which I have shown with the shaded part, that is the 1184 square meter. So, from area of lawn, when you subtract the pond, your area will be this. So, your area of lawn minus area of pond, that together will give you 1184. Now this is 2000 minus, when I subtract, sign of whole equation, whole this part will change, negative, then it will become positive, this will become negative, that will be 1184. Now 2000 will get cancelled, minus 4x square plus 180x minus 1184 equals to 0. Now when you change the sign and reduce, you will get x square. No, this positive will become negative. So it will be minus 45x. This will become positive 2s are 9s are 6s are. Now we got this quadratic equation. Now you require two factors. Their multiplication is 296 and addition is 45. So 37 8s are. So minus 37x minus 8x plus 296. So your two brackets will be x minus 37 or x minus 8. So your values are 37 or 8. Now length and the breadth of the pond. Now you know that this length, it is 50 minus 2x. So 37 to the 74, 50 minus 74 will give you negative. So this will discard it. This is your main value. So therefore, length of pond, that is our 50 minus 2x. So 50 minus 16, that will be 34 meter. Same way, breadth of the pond, that is 40 minus 2x, 40 minus 16, 24 meter. Now listen, some students planned a picnic. The budget for the food was rupees 480. 8 of them failed to join the picnic. So, cost of food for each student increased by 10. Find how many students went for the picnic. Let X students went for the picnic. Therefore, initial share per student, it will be 480 divided by x. Now 8 students failed to join. Therefore, new number of students will be 8 less. Now share will increase. So new share per student, now it will be 480 divided by x minus 8. Now this share will be more. Now difference of both is 10. So your 480 upon x minus 8 minus 480 upon x will be 10. Take 480 common. Inside it will be 1 by x minus 8 minus 1 by x. That will be 10. Now transfer 480 that side and cross multiply here. So when I cross multiply bracket, this minus minus will become plus. So for last part it will be plus a. This when you multiply, x square minus 8x and 480 we are transferring that side. Here x will get cancelled. When you cross multiply and simplify, you will get the equation as x square minus 8x minus 384 equals to 0. Now this is our quadratic equation. You require two factors such that their product is 384 and difference is 8. So it will be 24 16s. So your one of the bracket is x minus 24, other is x plus 16. So either your value is 24 or x is negative. Negative will get discarded because we have considered x as the number of the students. They can never be negative. Therefore, 24 students planned the picnic initially, but 8 students were less. Therefore, actual number of students went for picnic 8 less than this. So 16 students. Okay. Now, when initially 24 students were there, then 480 divided by 24, the share was 20 rupees. Now, 16 students actually went for picnic. So, 480 divided by 16, 30 rupees. So, share increased by 10 rupees. Now, by increasing the speed of the car by 10 km per hour, the time of the journey for a distance of 72 km is reduced by 36 minutes. Find the original speed of the car. This kind of sum, always you keep in mind, speed equals to distance upon time. When you interchange, your time is distance upon speed. So, utilize this concept for solving this sum. Now, let the original speed of car be x km per hour. Therefore, time taken will be distance upon speed. Distance is 72. Speed is x. Now, speed is increased by 10 km per hour. So, your new speed will be x plus 10 km per hour. Therefore, new time will be 72 upon x plus 10 hours. Now, new time will be less. So, original time minus new time will be your, now this is in minutes, divided by 60, it will get in hours. 6 6 are, 6 10 are, 3 are, 5 are. Here take 72 common. 1 by x minus 1 by x plus 10, that will be 3 by 5. Now, transfer 70 to that side, cross multiply here. X plus 10 minus x upon x square plus 10x. 3 upon 5. 72 get transferred here. 3 ones are, 2s are, 4s are. X cancel. When you transfer, you will get this equation. Multiplication 1200, difference 10, 40 30s are. So 1 is 40, 30. So your x is minus 40, which is not possible. X is 30. X is our original speed. Therefore, original speed will be 30 km per hour. Now we will solve the sum based on age. Paul is x years old and his father's age is twice the square of his age. 10 years hence, father's age will be 4 times Paul's age. Now already present age of Paul is given. Therefore, present age of father twice the square of his age. So 2x square. 10 years hence, after 10 years, age of Paul, present age is x. After 10 years, it will be x plus 10 years. Age of father, it is already 2x square. Presently, after 10 years, it will be this. Now, relation is given between these ages. Father's age, it means 2x square plus 10 will be 4 times the age of Paul. Relation is given between these. Now, solve this. Multiply and transfer. 2x square minus 4x minus 30 equals to 0. Reduce the equation. You require two factors. Multiplication 15, difference 2, 5 3s are. So your bracket is this. Therefore, your x is 5 or minus. This is discarded because age can never be negative. Therefore, present age of Paul will be 5 years and present age of father, that is 2x square, 2 into 5 square, that will be 50 years. Now verify the answer. Now present age is 5 years. So after 10 years, it will be 15 years. After 10 years, father's age will be 60. 15 4s are 60. So father age will be 4 times the age of Paul at that time. Students, thanks for watching this video. Now students, if you want me to solve any of the other sum, put that sum in the comment or mail. And student, your support is very precious to me. So like, share and subscribe. Thank you.